So here we have the Ford Ranger on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the rear of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of space in the rear here, as you'd probably expect. You can open this top section as well for even more height, should you wish to do that. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. In the dead centre, we have the speedometer, beneath which you can see what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, we're in park at the moment. The information over on the right-hand side, where you can see the total miles of the car, that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. So we have a rev counter there at the moment. You can change for a digital readout for the speedometer, various bit of tyre pressure information, and then lots of trip computer info as well. Similarly, the information over on the left can also be changed using buttons on the steering wheel, should you wish to do that. And the buttons in question are here for the left and then here for the right-hand side. We also have cruise control and speed limiter over here, and stereo and phone controls over on the left. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair up the phone to the car, of course. And that is done over on the central screen just here. Hit the phone and then hit add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions on screen from there. We can come back to the home screen and load up your satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how the sat nav works on our website and on our YouTube channel. Really nice, easy system to use though. And the last option up on the main screen is your audio. Number of ways in which you can listen to music in this car. AM, FM and DAB radio, as you can see, a CD player, Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as making and receiving phone calls, of course. And there are two separate USB inputs. If you plug devices into those, they'll appear up here as further options for you. Working our way down, we then have the volume for the stereo, the CD player, you can skip tracks from here. And then we have dual zone climate control. Any adjustment that you make to the controls down the bottom here will show temporarily up on the main screen. So you can adjust your passenger temperature, your driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, for example. That button turns your air conditioning on. You can hit auto. When you do that, the car will maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. You can override that whenever you wish to as well. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over on the passenger side as well. Beneath that, we have 12-volt charging socket here, and over here, 2 USB inputs that I mentioned earlier. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can change gear manually using this plus and minus button, should you wish to do that. You can lock the vehicle in 4-wheel drive, and then you have various options here. So you can turn parking sensors off, you can turn the stop and start off. We have downhill brake control here. You can adjust things like the differential, and also traction control too. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.